Greetings, Hawkers. Here are a few trading plan ideas from the Hawk. First, you must have goals. I prefer a yearly goal and think of it as a target percent increase from January 1st to reach by the end of the year. Each day I ask myself, is my yearly goal making progress? The monthly goal is a good guide, as there are only 12, one egg for each month. If you double your goal for 1 month, it can be used as a yardstick to make the next month's goal a little bit easier to reach. A weekly goal is easier to reach, and a bi-weekly goal may do just as well. It's a matter of personal preference. Try not to think of daily goals, as it is the most difficult to make, as several days may be needed of up and down stock movements to make a profit. Sometimes you will not reach the weekly, and then you can take smaller profits to reach the target monthly goal, as one trade of $500 profit equals 5 trades of $100. The yearly goal should always be uppermost in your mind. A part of my plan is to have 3 profitable good years out of 5 as a general rule of thumb. And don't be in a hurry. Remember, you don't have to trade on any single day or week. Rushing can be hazardous to your health, just as running around in the barnyard while the farmer is holding the hatchet. For stock scanning conditions, I have my charting program scan parameters set for a stock price between 75 cents and $20, a daily minimum of 250,000 shares traded on a 20-day average. The stock trend is up, and preferably the market trend is also up. The 2 EMA crosses the 8 EMA, that's the exponential moving average, and the J-hook candlestick pattern is my preferred pattern of choice, although I also look for belt holds, fry pan bottoms, morning stars, and gap ups above the 8 EMA. That sounds like a lot, but with study and practice, the terminology will become second nature. See the website for other websites with more detailed information. My goal is not to teach you candlesticks and patterns, as other websites do a great job and have much more information available, but I encourage you to keep your final candlestick pattern choices to just a few, keep it simple, and become an expert with your trading plan. The scan results may end up with as few as 10 picks and as high as 150 picks or more. This in itself tells me the overall market trend. 50 to 100 scan picks would be a normal, good range, and usually more room for profits with more stock picks available. On occasion, my scan has only listed 10 or 15 stocks, which I view as a red flag. I may still trade, but with extreme caution. I may miss some stocks and not take profits for a time. Then again, if I don't buy, I still have my cash for the end of the year goal. Most of my trades made are between 500 to 5,000 shares, depending upon the price. What the ETPC tool tells me, how much I feel comfortable investing in one company, and which candlestick pattern the stock shows. The maximum I invest in any one stock ranges from $4,000 to $10,000, depending upon the price of the stock, and with very strong candlestick patterns, I may nudge the investment up a few thousand, but usually not more than $12,000 to $15,000 total investment on any one stock. Remember that the market may be down 500 points or more, but there are always stocks going up and always stocks going down, unless we are invaded by alien chickens. But in general, trading 100 shares is not recommended. Just plug the figure 100 into the ETPC tool and you may be shocked. For example, if you buy 100 shares of a $1 stock, the price has to move up $1 to to make $80 profit. Don't forget to add the brokerage buy and sell fee to your total cost. Try the ETPC tool for yourself and you will see what I mean. When the market has been in a long uptrend and reaching new highs, it must come down at some point and may fall rapidly. I call this phenomenon the Humpty Dumpty effect and want no part of it. I will wait for the J-hook in the market to trend back up before resuming my trading plan. The longest wait so far was 8 months in cash. From my stock scan, I picked no more than 5 stocks with the best potential of going up and watched the 2 candidates like a hawk. I will buy 1 or 2, sometimes 3, and will not buy again until I sell one of them. Remember, the name of the game is to make and take profits for my yearly goal and not to impress myself with one stock trade. Using this method, I find, keeps most of my cash safe in the event of an unexpected Humpty Dumpty of the stock market. Now you have your 3 to 5 picks. Time to enter trades you will be watching into the ETPC tool. The ETPC tool fits your style of trading as a file is copied and pasted many times and each copy renamed to suit your trading plan. Some thought must be given here, and it may take a while for you to have a final trading plan, as the plan will most likely be changed several times until you find a comfortable style. File names should be named to meet your style. Names such as 2013 January, 2013 February, first quarter, second quarter, watch lists, tech companies, chicken feed providers. It's up to you. The ETPC tool can be used for any time frames, yearly, monthly, weekly, daily, whatever time frame is suited for you. Flexibility. A big benefit to the tool is that you can change your trading plan at any time, just by changing the file name. The file is the same, your trading plan changes. Ask yourself, how often do you trade? How long will you hold the stock for? Do you have the patience to wait 2 to 3 days, or if one trade goes bad, to ride it up and down? What price range do you trade with? How much can you afford to invest in one stock? What does the candlestick pattern tell you is going on with the stock? After all, each candle represents what the buyers and sellers did that one particular time frame. The time frames I monitor are the daily, 5-minute, 3-minute, 15-minute, and 60-minute. I do not care what the stock did 1 to 2 or 5 years ago. Remember my motto. And for most candlesticks pattern, I use 1, 3, and 6 month time frame. I usually buy and sell on the 5-minute chart if I am watching during the daytime when the market is open, or just place an order with my broker for a sell or a stop to make profits or minimize losses. There are more articles on this on the website. If your account has $40,000 to $100,000, I would recommend having most in cash and only trading with 30 to 40% of the total portfolio, and no more than 3 stocks at one time. This helps to minimize losses and does not tie up all of your funds. Remember Enron? If the entire market were to suddenly crash due to a war, natural disaster, or other unforeseen circumstance, then your risk will be minimized, and after all, cash is king. Play around with juggling the numbers in the ETPC tool, as there is a learning curve, and long before you know it, you will be a master hawker. Place trades according to your trading rules. No emotions. Trust the candlestick patterns. Use common sense. And guard your money. You can't have profits if you don't sell. Protect your profits and Work towards your yearly goal. Good trading to all. Keep your trading plan simple. Sell for profits. Remember your yearly goal. Remember Enron and have fun. This is The Hawk.